Abhiram comments to pledge. Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
A very happy morning to everyone. Today's news bulletin is brought to you by Grade IX Jasper. And today's headlines of international and national news are brought to you by one of Grade IX Jasper. International news. Army chief says that Switzerland can't defend itself from full-scale attacks. Student-led NCP sees internal rift ahead of Bangladesh polls. National news. President undertakes submarine sortie at naval base. That's all for today. Thank you and have a peaceful day ahead.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's sport and state news is brought to you by Vamshi from Grade 9 Jasper. State news. 7 members on ATM theft were arrested. Sports news. Stasar is using Vijay Hazare Trophy as his comeback. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Today's weather report is brought to you by Tarun of Grade 9 Jasper. Minimum temperature 18 degrees Celsius. Maximum degrees Celsius 29 degrees Celsius. Most partially sunny. Wind speed 5 km per hour. Humidity 0%. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very wonderful morning to everyone. I am Srinika of Grade 9 Jasper, brought you today's thought. And today's thought is, injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. I will repeat my thought. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. This thought is quoted by Sir Martin Luther King. It means that if injustice is happening at any place, it's our responsibility to speak up. Just because injustice is not happening to you, it doesn't mean that it never happens to you. So it is responsibility of each one of us to protect justice. Thank you. Have a great and wonderful Monday. Thank you. A pleasant morning, everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Geetanjali from Grade 9 Jasper. Word, resilience, meaning not giving up even the things are hard. Friends, please spell after me. R-E-S-I-L-I-E-N-C-E. Resilience. Not giving up even the things are hard. Thank you and have a good day.
Hello everyone, I am Sanjay of Grade 9 Jasper. Now I am here to give a short speech on Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata, his full name was Ratan Naval Tata. He was the son of Naval Tata who was adopted by Ratanji Tata. He was the son of Jamshedji Tata, the founder of Tata Group, which was established in 1868. He graduated from Cornell University of Architecture with a bachelor's degree in architecture. He was born in Mumbai. He was born on 28 December 1937 and passed away on 9th October 2024. He became CEO in 1991. He never married and had no children. Thank you. Have a good day.
A very happy morning, everyone. My name is Fazza of Grade 9 Jasper. Now I am here to test your general knowledge. Question for Grade 7. Which continent has no river? I repeat it once again. Which continent has no river? No, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Antarctica. Question for Grade 8. What is the capital of United States of America? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Washington. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. Which revolution is known as February Revolution? I repeat it once again. Which revolution is known as February Revolution? No, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Russian Revolution. Open question number 1. Which planet is known as Blue Planet? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Earth. Let us appreciate them. Question number 2. What is the population of Brazil? I repeat it once again. What is the population of Brazil? No, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is 125 million. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.